Hey y'all, welcome back to another AFI DIY. Today's video features an exfoliating coconut oil hair mask. It also doubles as a great facial scrub. It's super versatile and really easy to make, making it a great addition to your product lineup. Let's get started. This recipe will make about 1 pound of the product. For the ingredients, you'll need 50.15% of raw unrefined coconut oil. This will be 1 cup. We recommend using a solid because otherwise your product might be a little bit runny. Check out the link in the description to see what we recommend. 49.15% or about 1 cup of raw sugar, 0.2% or 1 milliliter of tea tree oil, 0.5% or 2.5 milliliters of peppermint fragrance. Out of all the fragrances here at AFI, today I'll be using peppermint. I thought it'd be the perfect fragrance for this product. Oh my gosh, it is so refreshing and energizing. As far as equipment goes, all you need is a small mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, and a container. Today I'll be just using a simple jar, but if you want to opt for a higher end product, you can get some more expensive packaging. Now you're just going to want to mix it all in your bowl. First, we're going to start off with our 1 cup of coconut oil. Now add your about 1 cup of raw sugar. Now you'll get 1 milliliter of your tea tree oil. Last, you'll have your 2.5 milliliters of fragrance. Now it's just time to mix. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you like this product, make sure you check out our DIY body oil. Once you thoroughly mix it, you're done. It really was that easy. The sugar in the scrub helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, and the coconut oil has its anti-inflammatory properties. It's very simple to use. Just massage it into your clean hair and let it set for the duration of your shower. It costs about $1 to make, and you can wholesale it for $6 to $8 or retail it for $10 to $15. I'm Katie, thanks for watching another AFI DIY. Make sure you subscribe down below so you can see more awesome products. Bye!